Yo, yo, yo. Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone's doing good. Yo. Yeah, one sec, guys. Let me just get my trading view screen sorted. Bear with me. 30 seconds and it'll be, 30 seconds and it'll be up. Right, we're good. We're good now. I think. One second. Sweet. Harry, how's it going, bro? Welcome. Yes. Yes, and Brian, how's it going? Brian's Harry's here. Let's see who's here, guys. Drop a comment if you've just joined. I'm just gonna share the live really quickly. Like I said, drop a like, and yeah, we'll get started shortly. Gold's actually already gave a decent entry today, which is nice. Took it on a little combine trade on like some macros, nothing crazy. I took profits here at these highs, like 6 micros, so it worked out at like 36 ticks in total or something. So yeah, that was that entry. Yeah, not like I say, I only went for half risk because the volume's super high right now on gold. So the only way you can get over the high volume, yeah, good morning guys. The only way you can get over the high volume is de-risk. For example, use, 3 micros, 4 micros, because you're just gonna get the same. You're just gonna get this just for this week or for the next day, how many days the volume's super high and the stop losses are super high. You just got to use less risk, and that's something that you got to adapt with, or you're just not going to be taking many positions. Either stick to a 25 tick max stop loss as always, because in normal volume that's what I do. I just stick to a stop loss of 25 ticks, or just up that to maybe like 30-40 ticks. Like in this case it was 40 ticks. Just stick to like maybe a 40 tick and then just use like 3 micros, just so you're just taking the same amount of positions. Because like every wick right now, because the volume's so high, look, 40 ticks, 70 ticks, even this down here like 20 ticks, and it's literally nothing. So yeah, that's what I'm personally doing. But yeah, like I say, it worked out. We took a decent little win there. We'll break it down in a second, guys. Just wait for a few more to join, and I'll start breaking that trade down, okay? Dun, 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 dun. How many have we got in? We've got 15 in. Yeah, guys, drop a like as well. Smash 15 today again. Right, so I'll break this hourly down. Very, very simple. One sec. Just make sure that's run. You ride that way up? Yeah, I did, Tyler. Not all the way, but I got a piece of it. I got a piece of it, Tyler. Like I said, there wasn't any real... There was a decent entry here that you could have taken, but you probably would have taken a break even. I got the hourly entry, but I'm going to break it down anyway. So if we're looking at gold, look at this. This is 6:30 in the morning. What have we got? What have we got here? Okay, what's this? This is just a big level of support and resistance, and I'm not looking to go long anywhere near this level, because every time we've come into this level, gold has done what? Big rejection, push away. Look at this, big support and resistance here, pushing away, rejecting it. I'm not looking to get into the market until we close above this level, because it's the safest place to get involved in the trade. Okay, gold, what are people doing? What are most retail traders doing at this level? They're going short with their stops on these highs. This is like, most retail traders are looking at this market here and they're going short because this has been rejected from 3, 4, 5 times, okay, and they see this level as strong. We know it's not super strong. They see this level as a very strong level. If we get a close above, we're going to target their stop losses up here, okay? And if we jump onto the hourly quickly now, let's see what we see. What does the hourly do? The hourly closes above the level. 1 second. What does the hourly do? The hourly closes above the level here. Let me show you. Nice strong closure above. What do we do before it? We sweep liquidity down here. Nice liquidity sweep. Strong closure above. I entered after the hourly closed above, look. So my entry was on the hourly closure, stops on the lows, and I took TP around 70 ticks, which in and out, nice trade for the day. Done on the top step accounts anyway. But yeah, that was the breakdown that I took that hourly. Full energetic, bro. I was missing a lot, bro. Yeah, good stuff. It's good to see you back as well, smashing it. It's literally first week back in the community, crushing it. Good stuff, Harry. Can't complain. No, I'm happy with that. Like I say, I'm not bothered. Like I jumped onto the charts about 7:15 because gold was already pushing up, and I wasn't bothered. Like when I jumped onto the charts here, I wasn't bothered that gold already had a push. I'm not complaining to myself that gold's already pushed 540 ticks. No, I'm thinking to myself, this is now my session. What valid entries do I have? A lot of people will see gold push like this in Asia and pre-London. They'll get FOMO and just start entering random positions. That's not what I do. I jump onto the chart on my times. I don't care what the prior session's done, and I'll execute a valid trade. And that's what we did here. We waited for this hourly close. Nothing really set up on any other time frames other than the hourly. I was waiting for confirmation or this hourly. The hourly set up, and I took it. Easy as that. But we've still got for today. Yeah, nice one, guys. Cheers to the likes, appreciate it. Good to see everyone here for the London anyway. Good to see everyone here for the London session. So for now, I'll get through questions in a second, but for now what I'm seeing is this level here. I'm going to be looking for buys back above here. We've still got liquidity here, okay? So as I just mentioned before, what are most retail going to be looking to do? They're seeing this level here and they're going short with their stops on these highs like so. They're looking for this big play down, a lot of retail traders. They're seeing this rejection, they're going, oh, we're going to do this. We're going to reject like we did here again. We understand that this is not the case. If we get a closure above this level now at 30.46, I'm going to be looking to take out this liquidity. Simple as that, okay? That is exactly what I'm looking for. And if it closes above on this 15, I'll take the 15. Just as like a little confirmation, continuation, impulse entry. I'm not looking for short. Guys, I stay exposed to both sides as much as possible. But for sells, I'd need to get back below here. I'd need to get back below here for sells. Okay. I wouldn't be really looking for sells as of yet. I stay open to both sides like 90% of the time. Today is this is a great example of when I'm not going to be looking for sells for maybe the next 2 to 3 hours. Until we either create a new range, like so, and then break below, or we just collapse and break below here. There's 2 ways I'd look for sells, and these are the 2 ways. Okay, so I'm looking for buys back above here for now. Do you think that $10 per tick is too much? I'm trying to do a top step challenge, and I think that it reaches quick. No, I think $10 per tick is fine. 1 contract is fine on a top step. That's what I even use 3 to 5 contracts on a 50k. I use as many as I'm allowed. Yeah, I use as many as I'm allowed, really. I try to pass top steps within the week. Because I like to always have max accounts. Not always be trade like now I'm only trading 2 expresses, but I've got expresses that I could activate to have full accounts. Okay. So I always like to have 5 in total, whether they're activated or not. So like I say, yeah. Like if I was only trading 3 expresses, I'd have 2 combines ready to activate, or I'd be taking 2 challenge and I'd be passing 2 challenges. yeah, I was able to short that yesterday. Wasn't keen on them today though. Yeah, the problem was as well is that you were a little bit overextended, but the way the hourly closed, look how this hourly closed. It closed super close, like 70 ticks to this high. I understood that anybody shorting from this level would have their stops on these highs. So for me, it was a very, very, very simple trade. This level strong, yeah, it is. I'm watching this for clauses now. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. Get back above here now. I'm going to be looking for longs, guys, okay? So let's wait for that. Let's wait for this clause above. I'm back in 30 seconds, okay, guys? Just hang fire. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, this is exactly what you want to see now. Look, sweep of these laws, guys. Look, we're sweeping these laws. Back above here now. This prior resistance, I'm looking for longs. Right, I'm just updating the community with this quickly. Give us 30 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, welcome, guys. Cheers. Guys, let's smash the likes as well. We've got 20 in right now. Let's smash 10 likes if we can. Yeah, 15-minute is looking nice here. If it closes above this level, I'm looking for them that push higher. I'll be looking to take out these as first targets here. Get above here. Let's say we close halfway. Let's say we close here. I'll be looking to take longs as 30 ticks first targets, and then final targets be 80 ticks. If I take this up, guys, that'll be me done for the day. That'll be me done for the day. I won't be trading New York. I'll stay active. I'll keep posting my analysis in the US session, but I won't be trading. Like I've already taken 60 ticks today on half risk. Dun, 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 dun. What's my account sizes? I use 50Ks on Top Step. I've got 100K with Alpha and 250Ks with Top 1. So yeah, I've got a lot of funding right now. So I've got 300K with Top 1. I've got 100K with Alpha. Trading two. I've got combines in the back, and I've got 2 that I'm trading now with Top Step. I did have one after a payout. I had like an $800 buffer with Top Step. So gold is on smoke today, isn't it? Yeah, the reason gold, you know, look at how it closed. Something that I need to show people. Look at how the day closed, guys. Okay, quick tip. And look what happens. What did gold do yesterday? Okay? What can you see about yesterday's candle? It closed within the day prior's candle. This is just an inside day. And what an inside day suggests, or what an inside day shows you, is that we've slowed down in volume from this bearish push. Look, we've had a big bearish push on this day. What's the next candle done? It's closed inside day. That tells me that this bearish selling pressure and this bearish volume is slowing down. Okay, so what you tend to see on an inside day is you'll sweep the inside day low, and then you'll push bullish. And if we look at what the daily's done, it's done exactly that. It swept the inside day low and started pushing bullish. If I was awake in Asia, I'd have been looking for longs down here. That is what I look at on inside days. Okay? You'll see it a lot, guys. You'll see it a lot. Okay? Let me try and show you an example. You do see it a lot. Look. Bearish close, inside day, push higher. Look, bearish close, big bearish volume, inside day, huge push higher. I'd expect gold to continue higher now. You know, I'd expect gold to continue with this push. Don't know how far, but we'll see. Everyone like the stream? Appreciate that, mate. Let's get to 15 likes. Appreciate it, Fooley, mate. What Fooley said. To be honest with you, bro. One sec, guys. Let me go through these. Sorry, let me go through these in order. 50k, yeah. So risking 200 per trade is all right. One of them, is it not? Yeah. Risking. I personally risk about 200 to 300 on an express 50k. Yeah, I personally risk about 200 to $300 per trade, and because like with a 2k drawdown, you'd need to lose 10 trades. Yeah, I'm waiting for closes above this level. I'm gonna have to come back to this vid and make notes on the inside bar. I wasn't onto that. Yeah, that's just something of me trading for so long, guys. That's not something I trade daily. It's something that I've been trading 7 years now, guys. You pick up stuff in the market all the time. Like, look, bearish push down, inside day, push higher. Bearish push down, inside day, push higher. It's a reversal pattern. Bullish inside bar, look for longs. So if you have a bearish push, Brian, like this, look, big bearish push. If one of the candles closes inside day, you're likely to push higher. It's just a reversal of the overall push. Come on, fellas. 8 likes, we smash 15 daily. Yeah, nice one. Appreciate it. Yeah, just smash it, guys. If you can. Get to... It does help the stream. If you do hit the like, it does help. It does help for sure. Appreciate it, though. Yeah, look at this level. Big resistance here now on gold. Resistance. I'm not sure what it's done to the left. We can have a look, though. Not much. I'm not really interested in that too much, but look, resistance, acting as resistance now. Back above there, I think you're clear for them highs. That's what I'm looking for. Understand, thanks. Yeah, good stuff, Brian. It's a good thing to look at. Appreciate it, guys. Nice one, 10 likes. Nice one, guys. Yeah, that's the thing as well with the strategy that we trade. guys, with the strategy that we trade, there's always, and Tyler's saying a pullback might be a fake out to break higher. Yeah, like the strategy that we trade, there's always different possibilities, and that's why price action's king. Okay, because what are we looking for now? We're seeing now that price is at a level of resistance here, so we are waiting for closes above this level to take it long into our targets. Okay, but let's say gold pulls back. Like Tyler says, we could pull back a little bit before continuing higher. Let's say gold pulls back and does something like this. Okay, then what do we do then? Well, this won't be our level to buy above. We'll have a new range like so to buy above or sell below. And that is why price action's king, because yeah, we're waiting to react to breaks above here to buy into our targets. But if it pulls back, there's nothing lost. We're just waiting. If it pulls back, that's good, because then we're buying above here and selling below here. Okay, so don't be bothered about what price is doing. Don't be too trying to guess what price is doing. Just try and react as much as possible to the price action at the time. And yeah, we're looking for buys right now because that's what price is showing and telling us. But if we pull back, create a new range, then this is what we'll be looking for. Okay, and let's just say it breaks back above here, we get an entry here. Well, that's fine, we'll get an entry there instead of above here. Okay, I try to stay as neutral as possible. Okay, when trading, just try and react and trade what the market's showing me at the time. Okay, see, if this 15 gets above this level now, I'm going to be looking for longs. But if it pulls back, it doesn't bother me, because I'm not in a trade for longs until we get back above here. You know, if gold breaks and closes back above this level, and then the next candle pushes down, takes me out at stop loss, well, it doesn't matter. I'll just wait for a range and buy back above here and make a win. Take a win, okay? Why is the price different? Yeah, because futures, DK. Tyler, nice one. Yeah, me too. If we break and close back above here, I'll just take a little scalp into these highs. But if we pull back, it's good, because then we've got more targets here. So yeah, it doesn't bother me what we do. If we get above here in 8 minutes, perfect. But I'm looking for buys back above this level. Guys, I always say to people in the community as well, if you look at a chart after a big push and you're so confused of what price is doing, just wait for a pullback and a range. Like, if your head is all over the spot here and you just can't see the chart correctly and you don't know what you're looking for and you're so confused, step away, go and do something else for an hour, an hour and 30, 2 hours. Let gold settle, pull back, create a clearer range, and your head will be in such a better position. Sometimes, guys, I'm looking at a chart and people in the community are looking for entries, but for me, I'm just not seeing anything super clear. I say, okay, guys, I'm personally waiting for a range to form. Other guys are looking for entries. Other guys are looking for confirmation. Other guys are looking for this and that. I'm personally just waiting for a new range, and that's why it's so good to just, you know, sit back, wait for a range sometimes, because it just gives your head a clearer. It just gives you time to, you know, rethink of what price is doing. Like, if you're not seeing any entries here, well, that's fine. Let gold do its thing, then come back when it's created a new range. Yeah, but I get we are at the mercy of the market where we decide to enter. Yeah, 100%, mate. 100%. And that's why I never get angry. Like, I accept what the markets give me. I literally just set alerts. Yeah, me too. The only time I don't really set alerts is when price is when I'm sitting like now. when I'm trading live, I don't set alerts. But let's say price creates something like this, I'll just set an alert here, and just let it do its thing. You know, you only see me trading live. You only see me trading live like for 2 hours. I'm not sitting here for like 8 hours a day just doing this. No way. You know, I started trading for the freedom. I didn't start trading just to sit at a computer all day. No, I do other things. But definitely get used to definitely, guys, don't be a slave to the charts. Get used to using, and whether you're working a full-time job, get used to using alerts. Don't just sit there at work looking at the chart, because you'll waste like hours. And it'll mean less revenge trading, less FOMO, less taking stupid positions. Just let the market range and let the market do its thing. Am I still planning to travel Asia and trade? I just come back from Vietnam 2 months ago. No, I've not. I'm probably just gonna go somewhere in Europe. I've not got anything planned in terms of Asia just yet. Again, probably end of the year. Obviously, you're going into the rainy season in Asia soon, especially in Thailand. So if I'm gonna be going anywhere, it'll be Europe, because Europe's like fall summers now. So, but yeah, I do love traveling Asia. To be fair, I've done so much of it. I want to try somewhere new. Literally, that's the focus, man. 2 or 3 hours in one session. There's nothing really, because yeah, that's all I do. I just do 2 to 3 hours in London, find a position. 2 or 3 hours in New York, and done. Like, I'll stop trading from maybe like 10 till 11:30, 12 o'clock UK time, and then I'll trade from like 12 till 3. And that'll be me done for the day. I still stay active. I'm still updating my charts, but I'm not actively trading. One sec, guys. I'm still waiting for buys back above here. Let me just mark this on. October to February, the rainy season. The rainy season starts in like June. Yeah, the rainy season starts in like June, I think. May, I think even May. Let me check. Let me have a look for you. Yeah, the rainy season in Thailand starts around May. Yeah, May, June. I thought it was June, but yeah, it's May. So like, it's like next month almost. And when does it end? It ends... Yeah, so the general rainy season's May to October. So in the southern parts... yeah, the southern parts, mate, it starts in like September. But like I said, it depends which direct where you're going. Nice, Tyler. That's perfect, mate. That is perfect. How's it going for you, mate? You're trading right now. How's your trading going? Are you making good gains? Yeah, and that's the thing as well. You need like 1 to 2 trades a day is all you need. 1 to 2 trades. Like if you can find your trades in, like let's say you can't trade at work, you finish work at 4 o'clock. If you can find your trades in that 1 to 2 hours after work, that's fine. Like if you don't find anything, all good. I have traders in the community who trade after work and they do just fine. Like people think that you need to be on the charts all the time. No, if you can set alerts at work, do that. You know, there's so many ways. Like I used to just trade the hourly and the 30-minute. Like I used to just see like this is how I used to trade at work. Look, liquidity grab, strong closure. What would I do? I'd just go long here. Okay, go long here. Stop loss on the low, big stop, so I'd use less risk and let the swing play out. And look, same concepts, everything's the same. I'm just using the hourly time frame. Look, see the liquidity grab, see the closure, enter, boom. That's literally all I'm doing. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm not trying to get onto the 5-minute. Like if this was, one sec, let me show you the hourly. Look, hourly time frame entry there. That's what I was talking about. Liquidity grab, strong closure above the level, bang. Into your liquidity, like 2.7 to 1 there. Highly recommend Joe's community. You won't regret it. Appreciate that, Anton. Nice one, bro. What broker do you use? I have a broker that I do use, but like I say, it depends. Like, if you want to just put in a very, very small amount, you can't, because like it's a £500 minimum deposit with most of them nowadays. I do have one where you don't need it. It all depends, Joe. Firstly, welcome to the stream. Secondly, it all depends on how much you wanna put in. I've got 2 different brokers that I can suggest. Like I say, I don't give advice on what to use. I can just suggest 2. Don't need nobody. Like that liquidity got taken so nicely. Oh, you mean prop firm? Oh yeah, perfect. Prop firms, Top Step. I'm personally partnered with Top One Funding. They've got a 50% discount. You can, by all means, start one of them accounts if you want. Yeah, I think they're very good. Like I say, I'll put the thing in, guys. If you wanna, oh, someone's already put it in. Nice one. Elevate, I appreciate that, bro. He's in the. If you go to the free Telegram, guys, like I said, I don't think I can keep. If you go to the free Telegram, you'll see that message that Elevate just put in. I think it's been deleted anyway. I'll put it in, guys. But I can only trade futures with Top Step. Why can you only trade futures with Top Step? Top Step are great. Don't get me wrong. Use Top Step. That's fine. I'm just giving you one that I use. I use Top Step too. I use Top Step, Top One. They're my go-to futures now. For now, I use Top One because they've got a very reputable FX prop firm too. But if you just want to use Top Step, that's absolutely fine, mate. They're very, very good. I can't say a bad thing about them. Good payouts, good team, good support. I'm not going to sit here and say only trade with my partnered firm. No, I'm not about that. Like, if there's a good firm that I'm not partnered with, I don't care. Just use them. Very, very good. I think it got deleted, that link that Elevate put in. I'll put it in for you guys. I was doing alright till this Monday, broke with the account rules, apparently trading news, and so on. Tyler, what prop firm are you using, mate? Yeah, Joe, you need to use the GC chart, bro. You need to use the GC chart. Type in GC, use the gold futures GC COMEX. I prefer Top Step X anyway, or Project X, depending on who you're going with. Project X is king for me. The software's well good. Oh yeah, sorry guys. Let me get the. If you do want to sign up to Top 1, let me just get the link for you. Forgot about that. Sorry. Right, there's the link, guys. Use JTC, that code that I've just put in. If you use that code, you'll get 50% off all account sizes. If you wanna sign up, entirely up to you. But yeah, for me, let me have a look at it, bro. I'm making breakfast and watching your live. I appreciate that, Harry, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, so guys, I'm waiting for closes back above 30.46. Get back above here, I'm gonna go long, okay? Into these areas up here. Yeah, Top Step X, that's the thing as well. Like, I only really use futures prop firms with Project X. So Top 1, they've got the same platform as Top Step X. It's literally just Project X. It's not Top Step's platform. It's called Project X. So it's exactly the same. So you just be using Top 1 with Project X and Top Step with Project X. But the reason I like having multiple as well is that you can just scale accounts. Like, if you have 5 with Top 1, 5 with Top Step, you're going to be doubling your payouts. So that's why I'm interested in more too. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, I plan to join the community real soon, just wrapping up with my old mentor, nice. And I'll probably be joining by 25th, but yeah, the proper... Core markets. Yeah, nice, nice Tucker. It'd be good to see you in the community, bro. Good to see you in when you're ready to join. Sweet. I've never heard of core markets. I've never heard of them. By the way, guys, I'm seeing loads of people saying they've got guaranteed passes on prop firms on TikTok, and I'm just like, how are they making it guaranteed? That's one thing I'll never understand. Like, they're saying I'll pass you a phase 1 evaluation in like 24 hours, but how are they making it guaranteed? Are they like buying one, selling the other, and failing one, passing the other? What are they doing? Or are they, I don't know, like, how are they making it guaranteed? Is there a way that they're doing it? Because I think it's a little sketchy if it's not guaranteed. I don't know. Probably just go with FTMO next time. Yeah. Oh, just get on Top Step, Tyler, bro. Get on Top Step. Get on a good futures prop firm. There was good moves much. Yeah, definitely there was some good moves pre London. In Asia for here, for example. Very, very clean Asia move. That was a very valid impulse entry. Yeah, that was a very valid impulse entry. Look at that, 550 ticks off that entry. That's a valid trade as well, guys. I was recommended by some affiliate marketer. Oh, yeah. Create prop firms on FX, especially if they're not in like the top 5 or 10, you're gonna struggle. I've been there so many times, I don't want to go there again. I've never had a problem with any payouts on futures. If you got any questions, guys, feel free whilst we're waiting for closes back above. Yeah, I'm waiting for closes above here. Yeah. Okay, guys. Closes on buys above. Do Top Step support FX or is it just futures? Yeah, Top Step's only futures. Top Step's only futures for now. I think they'll always stay futures. I don't think FX prop firms are just another thing. Like, FX prop firms are rubbish. Ugh. Okay, this 15 could be interesting, guys. Let's get back above this level now, okay? Okay, guys, let's get back above here. Here we go, guys. Let's get back up here. Might take the leap into futures. Yeah, definitely. Take the leap, man. You don't want to be messing about with FX prop firms. The crap. Push for Pappy. Yeah, come on, Goldie. Come on. Let's get that last trade. If I'd catch a London W here, I'll be done for the day, guys. I'm not gonna sit at the charts all day. I'll be done for the London and get other things done. I'll stay active in the community, of course, but we'll see. Everyone start blowing the screen. That's the thing as well. We're at a big level. I wouldn't be surprised if it just rejected and continued down a little bit more. This is why patience pays, guys. Seriously, you just need to wait for clauses. Like, how many are going long right now here, not waiting for a clause, and they're struggling with this drawdown now? So many, so many. Okay, we don't get that. But yeah, you're not blowing hard enough, Tyler, mate. You're really not blowing hard enough. Do you ever trade DAX? I don't, mate. I see a lot of people trading it, but I don't. I only trade like NAS and gold. Gold NAS very rarely, but gold the most. Like this should be, what you're seeing now should be a good lesson, right? What you're seeing now should be a good lesson. Anybody who's getting in long too early, who's seeing this green candle start pushing up near this level, anybody who doesn't understand that this is a big level on gold, going long, say with the stops on the lows, okay, they're in drawdown now. And that's why waiting for clauses is super important, because waiting for a clause above the level prevents you from seeing this drawdown, which they're seeing now, okay? Oh, instant sim fund lungs are going to give out at this point. Nice, Tyler, man. Yeah, instant sim fundings are really good. If you, with top one, if you use my code JTC, guys, you'll get an instant funded account, 150k account for $399. On a 50k top step or a 50k challenge, you have to pay an activation fee once you pass. So you're paying 200, and you're betting that you're hoping that you pass first time. You know, if you fail a couple, then pass, you're basically paying the same amount for a 2k drawdown on a 50k, and on 150k, it's like 6k drawdown. So for me, whilst you've got that 50% opportunity with top one, I'd get on it, personally. I personally got two. I personally got two of them. Because the offer ends on Friday too. The offer ends on Friday, guys. Like I say, if you wanna get an account, get one before Friday. And whilst the offer's there, just milk it, because they're normally $800. Whilst you've got a 50% opportunity, just get it. If you want, you don't have to. Like I say, if you want to, you can. Like I say, I'll link it there for you. Obviously, use that code to get you 50% off. Mainly trade gold. Nice, Joe. Mainly trade gold, me too. Oh, look at gold now pushing. Just wait for the 30 now. You absolute bugger. Bugger. Ah. Yeah, mainly trade gold. But like I say, guys, I've put the I've put the link in there. Don't just feel free, if you want to. You don't have to. Like, it is what it is. It's all your. It's your decision. It's nothing to do with me. Like, you read the rules, make your mind up. That's nothing on me. Like, just suggesting what I've done. Gold is the baddie. You like to see it on the side of Naz and the girl. Yeah, definitely. Tyler, yeah, you got that right, bro. I haven't really got a range for sells just yet. Probably back below here. Probably back below something like here, Darren. Yeah, potentially. I'm waiting for this 30 to close for buys. Try and catch a, you know, if we can catch, say, you know, 30, 40 ticks into them highs. Dun, 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 dun. How are the yeah, guys, you've got a 20 before on an instant funded account with top one, you've got a 20% consistency rule, okay? And that's needed. You can't have an instant funding and expect them not to have a consistency rule. The consistency rule's there to stop people from just getting like 10k in one trade as soon as they buy it, or if they fail one, or buy 3 and just instantly 15 lot, because there's no max lot size. You can use 15 contracts if you want. So the consistency rule's there to prevent that, and it's a very good rule to have. Like, if I was a prop firm, I'd have a 20% consistency rule, and all it means is if you make, for example, 3k on the account, your best day can't be more than $600, okay? Because that would be 20% of the 3k. It needs to be 20% of the profit that you make, and that for me is absolutely fine. So if you make 5k on the 150k account, you can't make more than 1k on one day, okay? And that just prevents people going for home runs in one trade. And for me, that's absolutely very, very perfect. I don't mind that at all, because on top one as well, you can withdraw 100% of your profits. So if you get to 3k and remain in that 20% consistency, you can take the full 3k. That's all yours. There's no 50% withdrawals. The full 100% 3k is yours. So for me, having that just one rule is fine. Don't think what has happened in the last 3 trading days is ever been... Yeah, it's been... Alex, it was like this when I was trading near COVID, when I was trading around the COVID times, you know, the flu. Haha, always the way one candle pushes for the stops. Yeah, 100%, but we'll just wait for this 30 to close now. I'm just waiting for the 30. 30 could be nice. I purchased last night. Nice, Brian. Good stuff. Like I say, be open to that 20% consistency rule. Like, if you want to make 3k on the account and you make 3k, you can withdraw the whole 3k. But make sure the only rule is the 20% consistency rule. Okay? Which is fine. What does 20% consistency rule look like? I've just explained it then. Anton, just reverse back 2 minutes. With this setup now, if it closes above the level, why would you trade on the 30 rather than the 15? The 15 would be valid too, because the 15 would be closing above. I just like the 30 because in one candle it swept liquidity and closed above. Like, all this would be, Shelly, all this would be, if we close above, it would be a 15-minute and 30-minute impulse. It wouldn't just be a 30, it'd be a 15 too. It'd be both. It'd be valid on both entries. I need to put some money aside for the S&P 500. Yeah, S&P as well, yeah. Like I say, everything here, guys, is just educational and entertainment purposes only. Whatever I say is all educational and none of it is advice. Everything that I do is here, but it's nothing that you should do. Disclaimer in the description. Dun, 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 dun. Nancy Pelosi is not selling her portfolio, is she not? Interesting. Yeah, you're right there, Tucker, though. You're right there, mate. There's just a lot of fear right now. And what am I doing? I'm personally buying this fear. I've been getting into... like I say, everything that I show on YouTube is just gold. Day trading. Everything that I see on TikTok's day trading, but I've got money elsewhere. I don't just trade gold. I diversify in trading. I've got money in crypto. I've got money in longer term investments, stocks. Like, this is just like 50% of what you see is day trading. And this is where I make most of my money, but I do make money elsewhere too. And I'm personally buying this fear. Could it go down further? Yeah, I don't care. Is it probably going to go back up? I personally think, yeah. Do you want to trade London? I trade about 2 to 3 hours in London, 2 to 3 hours in New York, and that's me. But the strategy that I teach, you can trade any times. Yo, Matt, how's it going, bro? I'm good, thanks, mate. Yeah, I'm good, thanks, mate. I'm just going to share my... Welcome, everybody. Like I say, guys, smash the like. Let's get to 20 likes if we can, guys. We've got 25 people in right now. We're on 14 likes. Let's crush it. Yeah, I like stable coins, Tyler, for that. Yeah, next thing for me is this 30 closure. Nice 30 close with liquidity. You should see these highs taken. You need to realize, guys, alright? Yo, Saf, how's it going? Welcome back, bro. Yeah, buys on this 30. I'm watching that too. Good stuff. Guys, you need to realize what are retail doing at this big level here. Okay, let me just delete that. Retail traders, seeing this rejection to the left, they're loading up shorts. Where are their stop losses going to be? On these highs, where they're looking to trade down into these lows. Okay, if we know that their stops and they're in drawdown now, if we get this closure above this level in 3 minutes, I'm going to be looking to trade into their stops, which will be up here for about 80 ticks. Okay, appreciate it, guys. Nice one for the likes. Guys, one subscriber away from 700. Insane. If you haven't subscribed, guys, be the 700th. I appreciate the 700th subscriber. It's been a crazy journey in the last 6 months. We've got 28 people watching right now too. Let me know if you're the 700th. If you're not subscribed and you're the 700th, just comment and let me know. But I do appreciate all subscribers, guys. Always the case with gold as well. It'll always reject the last 5 minutes. Goldie, what are you doing to us, man? Right, we've got 2 minutes here. Let's see if we can push up a little bit. If it closes above, we can just look for confirmation. It's just trying to find an entry. Fever, yeah, you were the 600th. I remember that, bro. Yeah, that wasn't even long ago, was it? That was like last month I had 600. Now we're almost at 700. It's crazy. It's good to see though, guys. Soon 1K. Look at gold. It's doing exactly what gold does best here. Looking perfect for 30-minute buys. Rejects back into the range. That's why we wait, and that's another example of why you wait. What are people doing who get itchy fingers? They go in long with the stops on the lows. Look, they're in drawdown. They're in drawdown because they just couldn't wait for the closure. What do? We wait for the closure. We don't get taken into this trade because we haven't closed above this level. It's as simple as that. We prevent drawdown as much as possible, where most people don't. It'd been good to take that position, to be fair, guys. Typical gold, yeah. Gold doing what gold does best, guys. In and out of ranges, but that's why you wait for closes, though. Like, there's ways to prevent drawdown. There's ways to prevent fake outs. Waiting for closes, waiting for flip entries. That's how you prevent fake outs, and that's how you prevent getting taken in. 5-minute chart, yeah. Literally, it looked like we were going to break out, close back in. Looks like we're going to break out, close back in. But what you've created here is like liquidity to get taken. Dun, 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 dun. Tell you what, that 4 hourly as well, guys. Look at the 4 hour entry there. Liquidity taken. Strong closure above. And this is what I mean. If you want to trade the higher time frames and you want to take a couple of swing entries per week, well, look at that. You've got a swing there. Liquidity, strong bullish closure, flip entry. You're running how many ticks profit? 350 ticks profit. $450 ticks profit. And that's all just based off swing trading. The same strategy that I teach. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a closure above here now, guys. Still the same thing. Yo, Marius, how's it going, bro? 18 likes, come on. Yes, Tyler, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate for you tuning in. If anybody can get some value away from it, then perfect. That's fine. Great to hear. Bro, my chart time is different for me. Trading view 30-minute close ready. Yeah, are you on Xauusd chart, Harry? Are you on the Xauusd? Are you going to be short in the range if it falls below? Yeah, we can be open to sells, but I'm really interested in these buys up here. We've just got a lot of liquidity to take. You know, retailer in drawdown from like these areas. So I think we can go and take them full stops first. You know, we can have a push into them full stops first. And all I need to wait for, simply, is the next 15 to close above. Then we're on. Just wait for this next 15. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to wait for this next 15 to close with you on YouTube. If we close above, we'll take some longs. If not, I'm just going to go back into the community, stay active there. So we'll wait for this 15 to close in 11 minutes. If we get below, we can look for some shorts. Get back above, we can look for them longs. Okay? Let's see. We've got 11 minutes here. Dun, dun. Good stream though today, guys. That's what patience always pays. And if you've already taken a W on this hourly entry, which we took, any community members, if you took the hourly entry here, just be done for the London session. Come back in come back in like 3 hours for the US. There's no need to be staring at the chart now. You've taken 100 ticks. You've taken 100 tick W. Really? Do you want to be over trading London and risk losing your profits? No. I personally don't, so I'm only going to be trading for the next hour. I can't believe I wasn't already subscribed. Tyler Legend, 700 subs, guys. Seriously, nice one, bro. I don't mind, mate. I don't mind that you weren't subscribed. I mind that you subscribed now. 700 subscribers, guys. I appreciate everybody for that. I really do. Legends. 700 legends here. Wow. Been a crazy. How long did I start streaming? Started streaming. Let's have a look. I literally started streaming like 8 months ago, guys. I remember when I started streaming 8 months ago, I had like 3 people watching me on YouTube. You need to realize that YouTube takes so long, unless you're like not like I started with no subscribers. Like I didn't even trade. I wasn't even on TikTok really. Like, a lot of people have a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers on YouTube because they took them all from, say, TikTok or Instagram. But I built it so naturally. So yeah, to have like 25, 30 people watching on my streams, literally, I couldn't ask for anything more. Appreciate everyone. You might think, oh, from 3 to 25, 30 people, for me it's a lot. It's like big goal, that. Congrats, mate. Wes, nice one, bro. Nice one, bro. Wes has been here a long time too. That's probably because I always join your links. Telegram manager. Yeah, Tyler, appreciate it, bro. All good, man. Yeah, I'm on the Awanda, but it's a 2-minute difference from you. I don't know why. Oh yeah, it's 2-minute different, Harry, because the stream's delayed. The stream's delayed 20 seconds. The stream's delayed 20 seconds. I'm not sure if that's it, but yeah, check it's not just the YouTube delay, or make sure you're up to date on the YouTube. Like, maybe come off the stream and go back on it. It's so hard to compare to TikTok. Like, I got 280 subs from back when I did YouTube school. I didn't really post on YouTube anymore. Yeah, Tyler, that's the thing as well. A lot of people will stream on YouTube. Oh, I see it all the time on TikTok. People will just show like a little screen on TikTok and they'll say head over to my YouTube. So they're just getting all the people off TikTok to go to YouTube, which is good. It's a good thing to do, but I just grow it naturally on YouTube. Yeah, TikTok's crazy for growth. You're right, man. 4K account, nice. 60k followers on TikTok, nice, man. Yeah, TikTok's a lot easier to get subscribers, but I personally think that everyone on a lot of people on TikTok, trade in TikTok anyway, are looking for signals. They're not wanting to. They don't understand like trading takes time. Trading takes hard work. I think YouTube's a lot more professional. Like, brings a lot more professional people to actually who want to learn. You know, all I get on my TikTok lives, yeah, I'll get 150, 200 viewers watching, like live viewers, 200 people, which is a lot of people, but all you'll see is buy, sell. What do we do now? What are you looking for? What are you doing? Tell me when to buy, tell me when to sell, tell me when to buy. I'm like, or you'll see sell when, buy when. And you're like, for me, I'd rather have 30 people watching me who want to learn concepts than signals. Found you randomly on TikTok like 2 weeks ago. Since then, I wait for your morning streams every day. Gonna be joining the Discord soon. DK, legend, I appreciate that. It'd be good to have you in the community too, man. It'd be good to have you in, man. Looking forward to it. We've got a very, very good group in the community. I love it. Everybody there, same reasons, wanting to learn concepts, wanting to do well in trading. Very, very good to see. Yeah, saw Real DK. I found a live of Joe a little while back giving solid advice and matched a lot of what I was learning. Yeah, good stuff, Tyler. Nice one. Appreciate it. Good stuff. Like I say, if you're already learning similar like levels and breakouts, you're gonna be fine. Like with what I teach. Haha, should I buy it or sell, sir? Is this Bitcoin? It's literally every comment on TikTok. Sir, when sell? Sir, when buy? It's like, and you'll get like every 1 minute you'll get a good question, like about psychology, about how long have you been trading, something like that. Yep, 100% Tyler, definitely. I can name 10 Dubai traders who've literally ruined trading. Trading was never like. I saw someone the other day on TikTok, and it said link to my OF. It literally had a link to my OF, and then underneath it, crypto/forex. I'm like, make your mind up. Like, make your mind up what you want to do, man. And then it had something like digital marketing. I was like, come on, bro. So true. Yeah. It's annoying. It's annoying because it really does takes value away from people who've actually been trading for a long period of time, who can prove what they do. You know, a big following's good for rinsing people with affiliate. For affiliate money, but you're just taking value away from people who've worked hard for like 6 years. And like I say, I never did social media for trading for like the first 6 years. Never did any videos on social media for like 6 years of trading. I only started like a year ago. Ref, have a word, yeah. Crazy, mate. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait for this closure here. If this 15 can close above this level, I'm gonna be looking for some longs. Yeah, back above here is nice for longs. I don't want to get trapped within here. I want a nice strong close, guys, in 3 minutes. A lot of them don't realize the bots only trade one setup, and these guys activate the bots. Yeah, definitely, Tyler, mate. And that's the thing. Like, another thing is why they take so many positions is because they need them to trade more, so they get more commissions. Like, if they took one trade, it won't be profitable. They need to be traded. They need to be taking like 15 trades a day. That's why they'll say, enter gold, 5 positions, take one off now, take one off now, take one off now, and you're like people need to open up, open the mind, think. I feel sorry because it seems so like everyone gets trapped at the start of trading in that everyone gets like brought into trading the same way. Starting with signals, they'll quit. They'll come back to trading, they'll say, I'm going to learn properly. That's literally the cycle of every new trader. They see a Lamborghini. They see that they can do the same thing, work alongside them. work alongside them, give over. Then they'll go, okay, I'm going to join their group because I can work alongside them, quit my job and go and drink margaritas on the beach. Then what do? They lose in the signal group. After they lose in the signal group, they quit, and then they'll come back and learn properly, and then join a community like mine. It's literally the cycle of most, I'd say 90% of traders. Which beginners will typically trade, like, yeah, 50 trades a day. It is so true. And it's not their fault that the signal groups as well are saying buy, sell. They're just going to take every trade. I said this in one of my TikTok posts. I said, like, if you're in a group, a signal group, and they're making you take like 15 trades a day and it's a free group, you're the product. Like, your money and your trading is the product. Like, no one's doing that for free. I don't care. No one who's driving a Lambo is giving you free signals. No. Your commission is what they're doing. Dun, dun. It's dark though because there's an endless supply of beginners coming into trading. So even if they drop off after losing and get new people, they don't know any better. Yeah, 100%. That's what it is. It's literally like rinse and repeat the same stuff. Like that HS Tiki Toki hasn't changed his, like, he does the same thing every single day. He'll post the same video. Guys, why are you not doing this, that? How are you sitting at work not making this money? I'm like, it's the same approach and it's getting new people every day. The same approach to getting new people. Guys, look at this whip. You could do the same if you follow what my team are doing. I'm like, your team? I say, your team's been trading about 2 months. Bro, what's going on for me? OTS closed already on TradingView. Or am I on Mars? I really don't know what you're looking at, mate. I don't know what trade. Screenshot it and send it me on Discord, bro. Let me have a look. Bro, screenshot it. Screenshot your chart and just send it me on Discord. Let me take a look now for you whilst we're on here. I'll be heading off in a minute, guys. I'm going to be heading off in 2 minutes. Nothing setting up on God. I'm waiting for closes, guys. All right, I'm going to update you really quickly, but Harry, send me your chart. I'll take a look at that for you now. But guys, I'm gonna head off. There's nothing. Gold's ranging. I'm not just sitting here. I'm gonna go and do some other things. I'm gonna set some alerts, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be waiting for gold to break back above here for buys, and I'll see what gold does if we break back below here for sells. Okay, so that's me, guys. Good session, good patience. Literally, since we jumped on, we've literally gone sideways. I'm not looking to. I've already taken 60 tick win today. I'm not looking to force trades in this range. Okay. So I'm going to set an alert here. I'm going to set an alert here. And that's going to, I'm just going to see what price wants to do, where it wants to close. And I'll trade with that volume, okay? Yeah, I remember when I was starting out, I opened a prop firm account specifically to trade gold with HS. And I had one conversation on Telegram with him till he passed me to someone else. And I dipped. Yeah, it's literally the case, mate. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it. 700 subs. Legends. Seriously, I'm so happy with that. Nice one, guys. I'm gonna head off though. But Tyler, you're 100% right, mate. It's good that you see through all of it as well. It's good that you see through all of that. And it never works out for any of them. They might get one good week of profits, and then after that, it's done. Let me check. Yeah, Harry, I'm gonna head off, guys. Take it easy, lad. Yeah, you too, Tyler. I'm gonna head off, guys. Been on for an hour and a half, gold's ranging. I'm setting some alerts above this level, below this level, and I'm just going to wait. Like I say, we've already taken profit in London session. There's no need to be forcing any more entries for me today, really, but I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be active in the community. So, community members, I'll see you in the Discord now. If you're not in the Discord, if you're not in the community, take it easy. See you tomorrow. And yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings, guys. London session, okay? In a bit, guys. Bye.